Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick video, as you can see on the screen, I am reviewing a product called itzFresh. That's itzFresh. itzFresh from Jason Fulton and Shun Oldengoli. So here's what we have. First of all, it's not fresh because this 3-in-1 app is actually 3 apps that they've already sold. The first app is called Preequell. As you can see, I did a Preequell review right here back on June 3rd, 2020. It got a big thumbs down. I'm going to show you again exactly why this got a big thumbs down, and I'm also going to show you the other 2 apps inside of the 3-in-1 app that get you unlimited free buyer traffic and automated sales in 60 seconds or less. Complete passive income, 3 automated software apps included. That is about the only thing on here that's not just, without saying it's a lie, being a lie. Because the thing is, get free viral traffic today. I'm going to show you the traffic source for each one of these apps so you know exactly what you're getting into if you are unlucky enough to actually purchase this product. Because you are going to get 3 automated software that build pages, but they are not going to make you the kind of money that you see here on these screenshots, because these screenshots are from Warrior Plus, and these screenshots are taken from these 2 guys selling this type of software. So let me just break this down and show you the apps. Of course, the first one is Preequell. Here's a look inside of Preequell. Of course, there's a link in the description if you need to see the full breakdown of this and what it does. But basically what happens is you're creating survey pages. So you go through here, and the software does work. You just simply click Create Survey, and then you walk through the app. It's drag and drop. It's a little builder. And then once your survey is built, you'll go back here and you'll have the ability to actually take a look at the page by clicking View Survey. It'll take you to a page like this, which is the templates that they give you. People are making money in self-quarantine. Click Start Now, and it is a survey, or it's a quiz. Are you stuck at home with no money? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. And it's just going to walk you through all these things. It's going to ask you questions, and then at the end, it's going to ask for your audience's contact information, and they're going to have a link to an affiliate product. Okay, so you can just go through here and you'll see what happens when you get to the end. Here you go, warning, enter your name here, a little video to watch, claim my spot, and this is all to build a list and to take someone to an affiliate offer. Nothing wrong with the strategy, nothing wrong with the software. But let me show you what the problem is. The problem is inside of Preequell and the fact that they have free viral traffic, which is right here. So when you click the Get Traffic button, this is what you get. You get a page to share it on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or I'm guessing this is WhatsApp. Yes, a link to WhatsApp. Or you can hit this little plus button right here and you can get a whole laundry list of social media sites and other sites like WordPress where you can share your survey to get your free viral traffic. So again, back to the sales page, get free viral traffic today. That's the first app in the 3-in-1 app that gets you unlimited free buyer traffic. You see right there, the free buyer traffic is a get traffic button that gets you a link to social media. So let's look at app number 2. App number 2 is an app called uProfito. uProfito builds websites. Websites that you can look at right here, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you this website that I just built, and by default this is what it looks like, and what it does is it imports videos once you set it up. So if you go back and you look at one of these other ones that's set up, for example this one, which is about passive income, if you were to click on that, you'll see here is a site that it created. That's even worse than the one that I showed you. Let's go down here. Here's one about digital marketing. Let's click on that one. Here you go. Basically what it's doing, it's pulling in YouTube videos about affiliate marketing and automatically creates the pages for you so you can see how quality that is. Here is a done for you. This would be one of the upsells. You can go ahead. Here's one for health. We'll click on this. This looks a little better, but you can still see that this is a website hosted on their subdomain. And once you do get traffic, if you're able to get traffic, which is the issue, I mean, the issue here is getting traffic. So once you get traffic and you actually click on one of these, you can see this is the video right here that you're supposed to watch. And let's see here, we'll watch this video. It pulled a video in for you to watch about weight loss. So this is just some random video. Here's a broken link here. And then what you're going to have is these little banners here are going to be your affiliate links. So it's going to create a automatic sales page with random YouTube videos that it pulls in from YouTube. And then it's going to have content done for you. And then you're going to have the ability to use these little banners to put your affiliate links in. So we'll go back and we're going to look at the traffic that they give us. So we go back to our website list and we're going to look at get traffic. This button looks familiar because when you click it, it's the exact same thing. Share to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, or click the little plus symbol and get your laundry list of social media sites or Skype where you can actually share your URL to the site that you created. If you use one of their templates, which is an upsell, looks like this. Or if you create your own, it looks this right here. Which again, I think you could probably make this with a free site or with your own WordPress hosting. You could probably do your own site to do this pretty well. And again, you could share this very easily on your own social media. So the issue here is back to the sales page. Gets you unlimited free buyer traffic and automated sales in 60 seconds or less. Again, get free viral traffic today. You saw the first two apps, which is a survey building app, which builds a web page that builds a question and answer survey or a quiz, leads you to an affiliate offer. You saw the other site builder that builds a website that pulls in YouTube pages where you can put your affiliate links. And then you saw the traffic on both of those are social share buttons. Let's look at app number 3. Here is app number 3, Profitatorial. So inside of Profitatorial, you're basically going to do the same thing here. You're going to create new website. And here you're going to have a laundry list of templates where you can create a website. And again, this website is going to have done for you content and it's going to pull in YouTube videos and other content that you could use. And it's going to have this site where it looks like this. The Tribune, CNN Tech, Mirror. It's supposed to look like a legit site. So if you were to click on one, let's say this one right here, and click on a website, you go ahead and you create that website. You can see down here, I've exceeded my number and I'm on a JV page here. So we'll go back and we'll see if we can find one that's already been created inside of the dashboard. Let's see here. If we click on this one, here's the page builder, the drag and drop page builder. Let's go back. So you can see they have a page builder here. If we were to go here and click on preview, you can see there's no SSL. We'll go ahead to the site and you can see here's a site you built. And again, there's no video on it. It's just text. It's done for you. You can see here they have links to make it look legit and official. They have some before and after stuff here. This is about weight loss. Of course, you would add your affiliate links in here. So once you bring your traffic here, then someone would click on your affiliate link. So now we're back to getting viral traffic to this page, because the issue here is, again, if you already know how to do traffic, then you already have traffic. Building a page like this is not the issue. This is the easy part of affiliate marketing, is building a page that looks like this or getting content. The hard part is traffic. So let's go back to the app. And here on the app, it had a little traffic button here. There's also a traffic button up here. So if we were to click this and get our traffic, let's see what kind of traffic we get. And we get sent to addtoany.com. Addtoany.com allows you to share by clicking the share button, and there you see it. You could easily do this with any site that you build, and you could share it out to get what they call in their sales page free viral traffic. And as you can see, 3-in-1 apps. I showed you the 3 apps: a survey builder, a page builder that pulls in YouTube videos, another page builder that just generates pages and content to look like official or authority sites, and then the free buyer traffic and automated sales in 60 seconds or less, and the free viral traffic that you'll get today. If you were to be dumb enough to pick up this product, you get access to addtoany.com, where you can easily add it or share it to any social media out there. So you could do this on your own. You do not need any one of these apps to do it for you. So there you go. It's fresh. It's not fresh. Those are the 3 apps, the 3-in-1. Thumbs down to It's Fresh. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer is going to be right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.